Hey guys, alright, so I'm actually working on a failed attempt, so just ignore all that. Okay, so I'm going to start off right here with our 7x4 circuit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Middle. There. Okay, before I make the entire circuit, I'm just going to show you what it's going to work, how it's going to work. Okay, it's on. And if I turn the volume up real loudly, it's an alarm. So, yeah, it makes an alarm right here, and I'm going to show you how this works. I might just even need to count that later on because that's how I messed up last time. Okay, so you're going to put down redstone torch and then wiring all the way right here. And then torch, wiring, torch, 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 wiring, wiring. You know, it doesn't matter what order you do it in. It'll all turn out like this. Okay, now you want to go to your middle one. Redstone torch. 1, 2, 3. Nope, not 3. Just 2. Fall down. Dig. And you're done. Okay, so now you have that part excavated. Bam. 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 Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3 across. And then a staircase. Last thing we need for our main switch is the redstone. And as you can see, I put the redstone going right there into the building, and right there for where my lever was. No, wrong place. Block, lever. And so now when I turn on and off the lever, it'll freeze and go. So now it's going. Now it's freezing. And it's blinking right there. And then it'll freeze and go. Okay, so we want it to go. And right now we're going to put down a couple blocks just to... We have to have this little pathway. I just put it right there because it allows me to. Redstone, 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 and right here we're going. This is where our door is. So 3 up, 1 across, actually 2 across, and then 3 down, and then we have our lever right there. And a redstone torch right there. Okay, so now it's frozen, and so now the doors would be open, and the redstone torch turns off, and now it's blinking. Now it's frozen, and the door is closed. So let me get a door so you can see how it actually works. Door is open, it's blinking, and it's signaling the things over there, the note box. Okay, so now you're just going to make some redstone across. I'm going to see how I made it over here. Starting right here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the way across. 5. And then repeater stuck at the 4th level. Note block placed with door. Note block goes there. I'm going to put it to the lowest one. there. And then, there. And then I'm gonna put this at the highest. Now it might take a little guessing. That's how high I went. There, that's the highest. Okay, yeah. I was going to say just to prove it, but no. Okay, so now, when you turn on, that's what happens. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So now you have your little alarm system, or you can change it to make it like high, do 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 do, and make it like a reading thing, or do 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 do, like you entered the wrong thing. I don't know, whatever you think it should be, and you could like put a sign inside saying automatic alarm. So yeah. Let me turn it down. Thought I turned it down. Alright, well, thanks for watching. See ya.